Good morning from Rotterdam. Too early in the morning. A date with my sister today. Yeah. We are working. We are walking at the Chinatown right now in Rotterdam. Peace, man. We have a couple of hours to kill until 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock or something. And then we need to get the train back. Oh, ba't hindi ka nagsasalita? English eh. So first stop at the Chinese bakery. We ordered a bun with pork and one with hot dog. So let's do the taste test. It will be a day full with eating. She said it's warm, but it's not. May mga nanonood dito mga bata, Jane. Hindi, okay lang. Tastes like yeah. It's a pork bun with sweet stuffing.
Walang karne.
Honest opinion, hindi siya masarap.
I prefer shash.
Guys, grabe. Sabi ganun, hotdog bun daw. Ito, tingnan mo, ang liit lang ng hotdog yan lang. Oh my God. Hotdog.
Kalinin mo.
Grabe yung tigas.
Matigas na hotdog.
Okay lang. Gusto namin to. We like hard dog. So guys, we didn't like this so much. Off to get some coffee now. Ayan guys, we're too early. All the shops are still closed. Kami na magbubukas. Well, shopping in Rotterdam, there's a lot of store to choose from. Punta kayo dito. Next time, come here. Really nice. Guys, it's so warm in here. Ang init. Whew. Mainit ang presyo. ano, eerste aankoop is gedaan. The first jacket is already here for the winter. Winter! So let's go to the Mark Hall and have some noodles. Walang magawa guys, kain ulit.
Yeah.
Next stop, Mark Hall. Noodles kami ngayon, noodles. Hindi, Japanese yun. Noodles, ayan. Sa Mark Hall, this is the Mark Hall. Look guys, how beautiful is this? So, net gegeten bij, we just ate at the Chinese bakery and now we're eating corn dogs again. This is how we bond together. Just eat the whole day. Shop. Oh yeah. Sige, kain muna ng cheese dog. Cheese dog.
Cheese.
Tapos hanapin namin yung ano, we're gonna look for the ramen noodles here.
Dit zijn echt frietjes voor mij. Ik hou niet van normale frietjes. Ik hou wel van apart.
Well, so.
Lekker.
It's a big guy, guys. Large one.
Jezus, is wel enorm. Ah!
Dank u wel hoor.
Ik mag wel even, volgens mij is die heel heel.
Ja, volgens mij. Ang cheese dog, wow. Thanks. Mag die van jou, Chi? Ayan, cheers. Mahilig sa malalaking hotdog. Uy, ang init guys. Be careful while eating this. Just wait for a little while. It's too hot.
We kunnen wel goed eten, dat wel. We hebben eetdag vandaag.
Yeah.
We
My
zijn al op het
sister
station
thinks
begonnen.
it's too
Bij zo'n Chinese
small.
bakker. Dan gaan we hier, dan gaan we noedels eten, dan gaan we straks naar de Surinaams. Oké. Oh, leuk eigenlijk.
Enjoy! Lekker!
Wat een vleesap zijn wij.
Cheese dog for just €3.50 guys, and if you buy some sauce it's with 50 cents with cheese and hot dog inside. Coke break. Cheers. Nakakatiwa yung cheese dog guys. Well, at least we tried it. But I'm not gonna do a second time anymore. So let's go for the noodles now. Noodles! So, we are here at the Mark Hall.
They're peanuts. Jullie zijn
We're
vloggers, sinabi mo sana yan.
Bloggers.
Vloggers.
Yeah.
Tapos bibigyan ko rin ng extra.
Boogers? No, we're not boogers, we're bloggers.
Hier zijn we al toen net geweest, diba?
Are we gonna eat here or we have to look for the other one? We are almost here. Where? No, here at this side.
Yes. Use your nose.
You sure knows ang daming pagkain dito. So it's Chinese instead of Japanese noodles.
Pwedeng Pilipina eh. Sarap na sarap eh.
So we are at the Southern Springs. We're gonna eat braised beef noodle soup and fried pork with rice. Yeah. Okay.
Yummy,
Yummy. Ayan. Diba?
Kulang yata to. Kailangan pa natin. Anong Tagalog ang humba?
What's this?
Hindi ko alam naman sa Tagalog yun, Bisaya ata yung mungkay.
Ah! Sabi na yata kasi may humba ako sa kaatin. Hindi
yum.
ko alam.
Ayan. Share.
Oh, soup. Oh.
Tagalog.
Dili hakaw.
Roasted.
Gusto in the place.
Nice stick here. So, this is our third meal for today. Jay, dahan-dahan.
Baby is not gonna get
I'm gonna try the noodles. What's this? A beef? Braised beef noodles.
Magbago isip mo, no?
Daniel?
Kasi gusto mo sana ng noodles, sabi mo, tapos yun, hindi ka na.
So far this morning, we tried the Chinese bakery. Tapos, we went to the corn dog. And then fried rice and noodles. Ah, hindi pa rin masarap. Sayang. Pero okay, at least we tried. We're not coming back anymore. Hindi ako babalik doon. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. So next stop, Suriname. We did some takeout today. And we're gonna eat some sandwich with meat. Chinese ordering our food right now, so let's wait and see. So let's hope that this one is good.
It's the south eh.
So
They put outside. Oh my god, it doesn't fit that.
I have a sandwich with meat. Ayan. Hopefully it's okay now.
Enjoy guys sila kanina.
Sarap siya guys. I like. Say ba diba?
Hills.
Tapos nag-take out kami. Or to go. Doon lang sa bahay kainin.
Taba ko.
Mukha lang. Hindi naman siya matabang matabad.
Lagi ka pang bakit ka.
Walang ginawa kung hindi kumain eh. Okay, I think we're gonna enjoy this one first, guys. We'll see you later. So we are at the Chinese store, Toko, where you can buy Chinese, where you can buy Asian stuff. Asian store. Ayan, di ba? Dami oh. Look. Bagoong. Ik heb daar echt maaksur van gekregen.
Nee, ik heb dingen van gekregen, hartkloppingen van.
So we are gonna try the other Asian store because they don't have any American pancakes. Where are you? Here.
Here.
Oh, there.
Here.
Chinese takeaway. More food.
Ganun tayo nakakita ko. That's always what we have.
So much choice. Oh, naka-decide ka na ba?
Spice cold. noodles.
Cold noodles.
Ayoko niyan.
Ayoko din yan. Grabe, daming choice.
So this heel at a cake size.
Thank you. Mamacitas. We are big fan of Mamacitas. So, they will spend, di ba?
Okay, fine.
Okay. Maghanap pa tayo ng ano, pang pancake.
Yeah.
Tapos, at least, tapos, after that, we're going to Kentucky Fried Chicken for some milkshake. And then, we're headed for home. Tapos na naman yung araw namin. Si Jane uwi ng Breda, uwi ako ng Leiden. Let's look for the pancake. So, here we are again at the Chinese bakery buying something sweet for our nephew and for ourselves, of course. We love the cupcakes and the buns with red bean and stuff. Here's my sister paying for her shopping. And then Kentucky Fried Chicken, and then off to go home. That's it for today. Dilemma, because we shopped too much today. We don't know where to put it. There. Ayan. Ah! Oh, let's go. Anong oras na ba? Oh, to
Cheers,
celebrate the
brother.
day. Cheers.
Junk food again.
Yeah, our favorite milkshake. Milkshake from the KFC. Oh, ano, satisfied na? Shopping to the max today.
Ayan. Big to the max.
Buti na lang nag-train. Okay lang naman, di ba? So, next time guys, tune in to our next vlog. Saan tayo pupunta sa next time? We're going to Utrecht? Maybe.
Maybe Den Haag.
Ano naman, ano masasabi mo sa Rotterdam? Did you like yung mga winkles dito? I like yung winkles kasi lang I didn't like the food.
Yeah.
Na ano kami, unsatisfied from the beginning until halos sa the end. Oh, ayan, uwian na guys. Next time, tune in ulit kayo dito sa YouTube namin. Banding ulit kami. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Pero follow us next time, okay? Bye! Sige.